snow plains, offshore platforms, mountain rivers, transcending environmental constraints, delivers a new level of delivery efficiency with its lightweight form. Multifunctional supply drop system Monoceras MT20, critical wilderness rescue supplies and medical provisions, drone-mounted MT20 system, featuring acoustic pickup and broadcasting capabilities, effortlessly enables sky-to-ground communication, enabling zero-delay information delivery. The wireless electric control lock hook design supports one-click drawing and abseiling. No ground personnel required. When medical emergencies strike during urban rush hours, the drone-mounted Mount to Zero with AEP shatters traffic gridlock, transcends time and space constraints, securing vital golden rescue minutes, re-establishing lifelines. The MT20 excels in emergency rescue and disaster relief, firefighting operations, island platform supply transport. Should contingencies arise, 1. Click emergency disconnect. Ensure flight safety. Fully equipped with intelligent supply drop management software, it facilitates remote operations, real-time monitoring, task scheduling, and other functions. MT20 delivers greater value with every launch.